Look closely at the tire smoke billowing from the rear of this vehicle. Watch the aggressive oversteer, the violent yet perfectly controlled sideways slide across the tarmac. Your immediate instinct, conditioned by decades of automotive marketing, is to assume you are looking at a purpose-built track monster. You likely picture a stripped-out, uncompromising weekend toy with stiff suspension that shatters your spine, a roll cage that makes getting in a chore, and an absolute disregard for passenger comfort, meant solely for professional drivers pushing the absolute limits of mechanical grip. But your eyes are deceiving you. This is not a track day special from a bespoke German tuning house. This is the NIO ET5 Champion Edition. And the most terrifying aspect for legacy European automakers is not just the fact that it drifts with such poetic brutality. The true nightmare is that after this driver finishes burning rubber on a closed circuit, they will calmly adjust the climate control, put on a soothing playlist, and drive to pick up their children from school in one of the safest, most technologically advanced family saloons on the planet. For the better part of a century, the global automotive industry forced a brutal, uncompromising choice upon the consumer. You either bought a thrilling, rear-wheel drive sports car that was utterly impractical for daily life, terrifying in the rain, and useless for a family holiday, or you settled for a sensible, safe, utterly sterile family vehicle that felt entirely numb behind the wheel. The enthusiast was strictly separated from the family driver. The person who loved driving was punished the moment they had to take on adult responsibilities. Today, we are going to explore how NIO has completely shattered that historical compromise. We are stepping away from the microscopic, isolating details of thermal stress and circuitry for a moment, and we are looking directly at the human element. How does a machine delivering nearly 500 brake horsepower remain a serene, protective fortress for your loved ones? How does a vehicle that accelerates with the ferocity of a supercar also act as the ultimate sanctuary of safety on a dark, wet winter evening? Buckle up, because this is not just another review of an electric vehicle. This is the definitive story of how the modern driver is finally having their cake and eating it too, and how the traditional European saloon is facing an extinction-level event. Let us talk about the visceral, deeply human emotion of driving. Why do we buy sports saloons? We buy them because, despite the traffic and the commutes, we still want to feel something. We want that mechanical connection, that surge of endorphins when the road opens up. The ET5 Champion Edition taps directly into that primal desire, but it executes it through a completely modern lens. Underneath that sleek, aerodynamically obsessive exterior, boasting a drag coefficient of just 0.24, lies a sophisticated dual-motor, all-wheel drive powertrain. This system generates a staggering 360 kilowatts, which translates to roughly 482 brake horsepower and an earth-moving 700 Newton-meters of torque. To put that into a human perspective, when you press the accelerator pedal to the floor, you are violently thrust back into your seat as the car obliterates the 0 to 100 kilometers per hour sprint in a blistering 4.0 seconds. It is a level of acceleration that makes your stomach drop, effortlessly climbing to its top speed while leaving traditional combustion engines struggling to find the right gear. But straight-line speed is incredibly cheap in the modern electric era. Anyone can put a big battery and a large motor in a chassis and make it go fast in a straight line. What makes the ET5 a genuine driver's car is the feeling of absolute, intoxicating control, and how it empowers the person behind the wheel. You see, the beautiful drifting you witnessed earlier is not achieved by the driver wrestling with heavy, clunky mechanical limited slip differentials, or fighting the chassis through sheer brute force and years of racing experience. It is achieved through brilliant, invisible software logic. The car's digital brain is constantly reading your steering input, your throttle position, and your intentions. Through advanced digital torque vectoring, the software calculates and sends the exact microscopic amount of power to each individual wheel in milliseconds. This changes everything for the average human being. It flatters you, It makes the ordinary father or mother feel like a motorsport champion on a Sunday morning drive. It gives you the overwhelming confidence to push the car on a twisty B road, knowing that a hyper-intelligent digital safety net is always there, calculating physics faster than the human brain ever could, ready to catch you if you push too hard. This is the absolute democratization of adrenaline. You no longer need to be a professional racing driver with years of track experience to feel the thrill of dynamic, rear-biased handling. The ET5 translates complex, intimidating engineering into pure, unadulterated human joy, wrapped in a cabin of absolute luxury. However, the adrenaline and the excitement of the weekend must inevitably give way to the harsh, practical realities of a Monday morning commute or a long family road trip. And this is exactly where the electric vehicle dream has historically turned into a frustrating nightmare for the average consumer. We are talking about range anxiety, the constant, gnawing fear of being stranded on the side of the motorway with your family in the car, the sheer human frustration of arriving at a public charging station only to find it broken, occupied, or delivering a fraction of its promised speed while you wait in the freezing rain for over an hour. This anxiety is the true human cost of early EV adoption, and it is the primary reason why so many buyers are still terrified to abandon their petrol and diesel cars. NIO understands a fundamental truth about the premium market. The greatest luxury a car manufacturer can offer you is not leather seats or a fast 0 to 100 time. The greatest luxury is time and peace of mind. Depending on your specific lifestyle needs, the ET5 offers a 75 kilowatt-hour battery that delivers a highly respectable 560 kilometers of range, or a larger 100 kilowatt-hour unit that pushes your boundaries to a massive 710 kilometers on the CLTC cycle. But the true masterstroke, the element that completely removes the psychological barrier of owning an electric vehicle, is how this car integrates into your daily life without demanding sacrifices. Imagine you are on a long journey with your family. If you pull up to a conventional fast charger, the vehicle's advanced high-voltage architecture allows you to charge the battery from 10 to 80% in a mere 18 minutes. By the time you have walked into the service station, bought a coffee, and stretched your legs, the car is ready to continue. But if even that is too much of an inconvenience, NIO offers an alternative that borders on science fiction. You simply drive the ET5 into an automated NIO power swap station. You do not even need to step out into the cold. In exactly 3 minutes, a fully robotic system beneath the floor unbolts your depleted battery and seamlessly installs a fresh, 100% charged pack. 3 minutes. It is demonstrably faster than filling a traditional fuel tank and queuing up to pay the cashier. This single innovation completely eradicates the stress of electric motoring. It allows the driver to focus on the joy of the journey, the conversation with their passengers, and the scenery outside the window, rather than staring anxiously at a declining percentage on the dashboard. It restores the freedom of the open road. But what happens when the absolute worst occurs? What happens when the journey goes catastrophically wrong? Because let us be brutally honest, performance figures, torque vectoring, and battery swapping mean absolutely nothing if you cannot guarantee the safety of the people sitting in the passenger seats. When you place your family inside a vehicle, you are making an implicit pact. You are trusting that complex machine with the lives of those you love most. And this is exactly where the ET5 transforms its identity from a menacing sports saloon into an impenetrable, unyielding fortress of survival. The European market, driven by the stringent standards of Euro NCAP, sets the absolute global gold standard for automotive safety. A manufacturer cannot hide behind marketing speak in these laboratories. The physics of a crash reveal everything. The NIO ET5 walked into the Euro NCAP testing facility and completely dismantled the assessments, walking away with a flawless, undisputed 5-star safety rating. But the overall rating only tells half the story. The individual numbers are simply astonishing and provide profound peace of mind for any parent. The ET5 achieved an exceptional 96% score for adult occupant protection during severe, violent frontal offset crashes and side impacts, the passenger compartment remained incredibly stable, acting as a rigid survival cell that perfectly protected the critical body areas of the driver and passenger. But even more crucially for the family buyer, it scored an outstanding 85% for child occupant protection. This phenomenal level of safety is achieved through a bespoke, high-strength steel and aluminum hybrid body structure, boasting a torsional rigidity of 34,000 Newton meters per degree. It is literally a cage of survival, engineered to dissipate kinetic energy away from the human beings inside. Furthermore, the ET5 protects the outside world just as fiercely as it protects its occupants, scoring 83% for vulnerable road users and 81% for its safety assist systems. The car's intelligent LiDAR and camera systems act as a vigilant, untiring second pair of eyes. They constantly scan the environment, predicting the unpredictable, monitoring for pedestrians stepping into the road, cyclists in the blind spot, and sudden catastrophic dangers ahead. It does not just survive the crash. It actively, aggressively intervenes to prevent the collision from happening in the first place. For the human being behind the wheel, this is the ultimate definition of modern luxury. Absolute, unwavering peace of mind. The NEO ET5 Champion Edition is not merely a new car entering a crowded market. It is a stark, unavoidable wake-up call to the established, traditional order of the automotive world. For decades, the legacy automakers dictated the rules. They told us what a car could and could not be. They told us that if we wanted the thrill of a sports car, our families would have to suffer the inconvenience. They told us that the transition to electric power would require patience, compromise, and hours spent waiting at charging stations. But here stands a machine that absolutely refuses to compromise. It delivers the tire-smoking, adrenaline-pumping thrill of a weekend track day, translating complex torquey vectoring into accessible human joy. It delivers the effortless, unparalleled convenience of a 3-minute battery swap, respecting the driver's time and completely eradicating range anxiety. And, above all else, it delivers the uncompromising, fortress-like safety of a 5-star Euro NCAP rating that protects your most precious cargo against the unpredictable dangers of the real world. It seamlessly appeals to the passionate heart of the automotive enthusiast, while entirely satisfying the logical, protective mind of the pragmatic parent. This vehicle proves, definitively, that the future of driving is not about sacrificing the joy of the steering wheel for the sake of an autonomous, sterile future. It is about using hyper-advanced technology to elevate the human experience entirely. It is about making us safer, faster, and more comfortable all at once. If this is what the new era of electric mobility looks like, where a family saloon can drift like a racing car and protect like a tank, then the legacy automakers in Europe have every right to be absolutely terrified. Because the bar has not simply been raised, it has been completely rewritten.